Who decide your lifestyle? Is it you or your career? Honestly, this question got me worried. Are you ready to do something that is so simple and capable of changing your lifestyle like I did? If you are interested in this, then hear me out. I want to share with you my transformation story from petroleum engineer to a lifestyle business owner. I had a successful career of 25 years in the oil and gas industry, but my personal life wasn't that good. I worked 14-hour day with no quality time with family and friends. I was getting stressed out. It was 25 years of constant relocation with family within very short notice. This had so much impact on my personal life. My spouse's career was disrupted and our children changed school so many times. At first, it was great and exciting experience, but the repeated cycle becomes stressful and destabilizing. I thought we were living the dream and I was making the needed sacrifice for the financial success I wanted for my family. In essence, I was giving out what was important to me and my family in pursuit of my dream career. I had other nagging fears like my retirement, news of job loss to automation, the reduced global dependence on hydrocarbon as energy source of the future. In all this, I felt trapped and boxed to a corner. I wanted a change, but I didn't know how. After 25 years of successful career, I didn't want to go through retraining or career change. In my search for a freedom lifestyle career and business, I found a mentor who has built a proven business system that has helped many people transition into digital economy through affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and building online business platforms. This mentor showed me how he did it through his unique business model. I had the extra edge of learning from someone who has done it and got an amazing result. Honestly, this is not a get rich quick promotion. It is a real business and requires real effort, energy input and processes. I was willing to go through this for the change I needed and this has yielded good results. Today, I own a successful online business. I have quality time with my family and friends. I even have time for myself. With a simple shift in mindset and mentoring, the same tech innovation that got me worried about losing my job is enabling me to make a good living working from anywhere. This true freedom ignites within me the passion to show the world that you don't need to sacrifice your personal life for a career. You don't need to have technical skill to successfully benefit in this business model. What is needed is hard work and determination to set up and follow the business process, after which the system takes over. So I would like to provide you with the exact same video series and my mentor will walk you through his proven business system. Click on more on this video or visit my website and enter your name and email and get instant access to the 4-part training video. They are free and can be watched and learned at your own pace. This is something you can do while you are at your current job and work your way out of the 9-to-5 system. Click on Learn More to get instant access. There are support systems and most of all, business-minded people that will support you, including myself. Click on Learn More to get instant access to your free video. I hope to see you inside, and if not, I wish you great success and abundance.